How to update the Meitu app. First of all, open Play Store on your device and search for Meitu in the search bar. Once the app page opens, check if there is an update button available. If yes, tap on Update to start downloading the latest version of the app. The update process may take a few moments depending on your internet connection, so be patient while it completes. Updating the app ensures you get new editing tools, improved filter, enhanced beauty effect, bug fixes, and performance optimizations. After the update is complete, tap Open to launch the app. You can now explore all the latest features and enjoy a smoother, faster, and more reliable photo editing experience. Now you know how to update the Meitu app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.